Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Webhook backlog storage using PostgreSQL, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Webhook backlog storage using PostgreSQL, begin by ensuring you have PostgreSQL installed on your system. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Connect to your PostgreSQL server by typing psqlu your username d your database. Replace your username with your actual PostgreSQL username and your database with the name of your database. Once you are connected, it's time to back up your Webhook backlog storage. Run the command pg_dump your username d your database t your table name fcf/path/. Replace your table name with the name of your Webhook backlog table. Specify the path where you want to save the backup file. After successfully creating the backup, prepare your new PostgreSQL instance. Ensure your new PostgreSQL server is running and accessible. Connect to the new PostgreSQL server with the same command, adjusting for the new server credentials. Now, restore the backup to your new server using the command pg_restore your username d your new database fc. Replace your new database with the name of the database on the new server. After the restoration is complete, verify the transfer by querying your Webhook backlog table in the new database. You can do this by running select asterisk from your table name limit 10. This will display the first 10 entries from your Webhook backlog table. If the data appears as expected, your transfer is successful. In case of any issues, check the PostgreSQL logs for error messages that can guide you in troubleshooting. Finally, ensure to clean up by removing any unnecessary backup files if they are no longer needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.